What's the meaning of backfield? Backfield. Backfield.
Backfield. Backfield. The term backfield is often used in the context of sports, particularly in American football. In this sport, the backfield refers to the area behind the line of scrimmage where the offensive team's running backs and sometimes the quarterback are positioned. The running backs are responsible for carrying the ball and trying to gain yardage, while the quarterback is primarily responsible for passing the ball. The backfield can also refer to the defensive team's area behind the line of scrimmage, where the linebackers and safeties are positioned. Overall, the backfield is an important aspect of the game as it can influence the success of offensive and defensive plays.